Welcome to Dropzone Elite. So today I'll be showing you how to claim the NodePay token. So currently we are done with the season 3 and we are now in season 4 part of this particular airdrop. So I'll be showing you how to claim this token. So now currently this token is $0.57 for now. Maybe it's still rise, but who knows? Let's see what's going to happen. So now once you come over to this website, link is going to be dropped there down in the description. Just come over here, you connect your wallet first and then check whether you're eligible. So if you're eligible, just quickly proceed and claim your token. You just have 25 days to do this. Okay, so now if you're here to join this particular airdrop, we have done video on this airdrop before, so you just go over there. I'll be dropping the link down in the description. Just go over there, watch the video and position yourself for the next season. Okay, we are on with this. So now lastly, once you come over here in the Twitter, there is a lot of complaining about this particular airdrop, about the eligibility and the claiming process. So if you have a similar issue, please, you just have to have patience and let's see what the system has to offer for now. Okay, so that's all for now. If there is any more updates, I'll do it to let you guys know about it. So thank you all for joining.